Clearly, I go on a lot of camping adventures, and that is why I have a tent. But what is my dog gonna do? He's not gonna sleep in my tent. I don't like him like that. That is where this piece of product comes into play. The Backcountry X Petco collab, and this is their traveling crate. Before we even get started, I just want to say that I do not recommend this product. I haven't even opened the box yet. And price that I bought this for was $130, which IMO is absurd. The problem is their branding just hit me too directly. Like, I like camping, so obviously I like the Backcountry brand, and I love my dog, so. You like salmon? I know it's hot, but. That seems like it's a winner. It's quite spacious from the inside. Right, Boopy? It has a bag on one side to store, I don't know, treats or baggies. The back is half shaded, half mesh. And then this side is all mesh, but it can be turned into a door. Hello. Hi. Up here, you have a little sunroof that also opens up. And from this angle, I can show you the support beams. I think they're made of aluminum. And then once you fold it up, they click into each other. And once the structure is constructed, it's pretty solid. Bug flew in, ew. Ew. That was so gross. I basically cooked the bug in here. If I try really hard to not remember that I boiled a beetle in this thing, it still tastes really good. I'm hot. How about you? Want to jump into the lake? All right, let's go. Watch, I'm gonna take him on the boat and he's gonna be so pissed at me. So I don't even know why he's yelling. But you ready? Okay, all right, you asked for this. You wanted this. Good luck. I'm coming too, I guess. Oh my, I see him.
Oh yeah.
Yo. I swear, I was just swimming here. You're kidding me. I could have lost a foot. That looks like a prehistoric, like a like a dragon. What is?
It looks like it's like.
It's freaky.
He's like, no, I don't want to be on camera.
We gotta eat that though. Okay, here is the primary reason of why I got this crate. I know, it takes me a lot of time to get to the point. Okay, let me just show you. So this is my van. I live up here, and my dog lives down there. Basically for a million different reasons, I don't want my dog to get used to being on my bed. Simple, right? No. I feel like I'm just ignoring him and like subjugating him to like the dungeon of my car. And it's made me feel really guilty. That is the primary reason, the true purpose of this crate. Like, it's got a solid structure and it's nice to look at, and it's big enough, I think, for my dog to relax in there, you know? Good boy, enjoy. Ooh, this is so cute. Oh my god, you're so cute. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I am not returning it. Oh no 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 no. Oh no 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 no. Okay, I'm hungry, so it's time to go. Love ya. Bye.